Hey, I wanted to show you how to do a problem that looks like this. 12 plus 7 equals 5 plus blank. First, I want to let you know that the equal sign is very similar to something I used to play on when I was little on the playground. I called it a teeter-totter. I'm sure it has different names, but I'm going to draw what it looks like. It's got a middle part where a bar sits on it like this. And then it's got handles that you hold on to right here. And my friend and I used to sit on them on either side. I'd sit on one side, of course I'd sit on it. I wouldn't sit in the air like my poor drawing just did, but don't pick on me. And she would sit on the other. We were in the same grade and we weighed the same amount. So guess what happened? It would balance. It would stay in the middle. And an equal sign is just like that. You want to make it balanced so both sides equal the same amount of weight. Sometimes if my sister got on, she didn't weigh it. If she got on with my friend, there would be more on this side because two people could technically go on it. And then this side would go down. And guess what would happen to me? I would go up. So when you are making a math problem like this, you want to make it equal. You want to make the same on this side and the same on this side so it goes flat. You don't want one side to go down and one side to go up. That does not work. That is false. That is wrong. You need to make sure that both sides are flat and equal, okay? So to do that, you have to you gotta kind of pay attention to what these two things are doing. 12 plus 7 equals 5 plus something. Well, 5 is pretty close to 7. How close is 5 to 7? Well, 7's actually 2 bigger than 5, right? So that means this side is heavier. It's too heavy. We need to make it balanced. We need to put some more weight on this side. We need to move the 12 over here, but not just the 12. It would still be so heavy on this side. If you take this 12 and put it over here, it's 12 plus 5. 12 and 12 are the same weight. 7 and 5 are not the same weight. So move the 12 over, but also move over the 2 bonus that you just put on there. So 12 and 2, 13, 14. And here's how you check your answer. You always want to check your answer. You have to add these two numbers together. What's 12 plus 7? Well, I know 2 plus 7 is 9. And then there's a 10 involved, and there's no 10 over here, so I'm just going to put the 10 right there. This side, 12 plus 7 is 19. I'm going to put the little teeter-totter equal sign, and then 5 plus 14. 4 plus 5 is 9. And there's 1 10, and there's no 10s over here, so I'm just going to move the 10. 19 equals 19. We have the equal amount. We did it right. Let's try another one. See if I can erase it all in one cut. Cut. Perfect. Next, I want to try harder one. Oopsie daisy. 39 plus 2 equals 36 plus blank. So I immediately noticed that 39 and 36 are close together, but 39 is the heavy guy. He's 3 bigger. Oops, I hope you can see that. 3 bigger than 36. So he's making the teeter-totter go down. I know that 2 is supposed to move. I'm supposed to put a 2 over here so that it could be equal to the 2 over here. But I still need to move this bonus 3 at the top over as well. So then it will be the same amount on either side. I move the 2 over, and I know that 39 is 3 bigger than 36. So I have to take that 3 bigger, the 3 extra, and put it over here as well. So 2 and 3 is 5. Now I'm going to check my work. 36 plus 5 more, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. That's 41 on this side. I put the little equal sign for my teeter-totter. 39 plus 2. 39, 40, 41. I got it right. Hooray! Let's see if I have any. Yep, I have one more. Cut. 42, I did it again, goodness. 42 plus mystery number equals 49 plus 7. Well, if I want this to be the same, I need the 7 to live right here because 7 is equal to 7. If I want it to be equal. But now we've got a difference in these two numbers. 49 is bigger than 42. How much bigger? So you count up if you don't know. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bigger. 49 is too big. It's 7 bigger than 42. So I need to move the 7 over, but I also need to move the extra over to make this equation equal. That would be 7 and 7 is 14. I know my doubles. So now we've got 42 plus 14. I got to do stack these 10s and 1s on top of each other to get this one. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we've got an equal sign. 49 plus 7 more. Let's see. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56. So we did it correct. There's one more way that you could technically do this. Let me show you very quickly in case this is the way your brain works. You go like this. If you had 7 plus mystery equals 2 plus 10, let's say. You could find out what this side is equal to. 2 plus 10. So plus mystery number plus 7 would equal 12. If you don't know, you could come over here on the side of your paper and do scratch work. You should know this one. I gave you an easy one. 12 minus 7 is 5. Oh, good. And then you could figure it out. So the mystery number is 5 because it makes it the equation true. 12 equals 12. So you could add the sides together and then find and subtract the other side technically to get the answer. Or you could do it my way where you find the extra. And if you have any questions, please let me know.